How to find a list of blocked people in Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide, and in today's guide video I'm about to simply guide and show you how you can actually find a list of people whom you have blocked on Facebook. But before we get started, if you are new to this channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So first of all, what I'm going to show you is to simply make sure you have updated the Facebook app. You can head over to your app store, in the search box type in Facebook, and then go ahead and simply download or update the application to the latest version. After we've updated Facebook, I'm going to simply go ahead and open the Facebook app on my phone. After you open Facebook, again you want to make sure that you're actually logged into your account. So go ahead and log into your account. After you're logged in, I'm going to show you two ways on how you can actually find a list of blocked people. The first way is actually through search. So after you open Facebook, on the top right hand side, you want to simply tap on the search button. And as you tap on the search button, you want to look and search for the keyword called block. So I'm going to simply enter block and hit enter, and right over here at the top you'll find a shortcut that says blocked people. And if you go ahead and tap on blocked people, you can see it will load you a list of people whom you have actually blocked on Facebook. Now this is one way to actually find it. The other way is to simply come back, and once you're on the home interface again, on the top right hand side you want to tap on the stream menu bar or this menu icon. As you tap on this menu icon, here you want to scroll down to the bottom until you find the option called settings and privacy. Tap on settings and privacy, followed by the settings option at the top again. As you tap on the settings option here again, it is going to take us to this page right over here, and at here you want to scroll down all the way to the bottom until you find the button or the option called blocking. So you can see here it says audience and visibility, and right here at the bottom you'll find an option that says blocking. And if you don't find the option, you can also go ahead and search for it on the top right hand side of the screen. So tap on the blocking option, and as you can see here, it will load you a list of people whom you have blocked on Facebook. If you want to actually unblock them, tap on their profile and then you can tap on the unblock button. If you want to add more people to your block list, you can simply tap on this blue button which says add to block list, and then go ahead and search for any people whom you want to add to your block list. These were the ways on how you could very easily find a list of blocked people on Facebook. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, do make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.